Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add an additional cost for cash on delivery within Shopify. So let's get right into it. First thing we're going to want to do from our admin dashboard is go into the settings menu. Once you're here, you're going to go down and click on shipping and delivery, and it'll open up a screen such as this. Now, as you can see, you can choose where you ship and how much you charge for shipping at checkout, and you can create a new profile and profile name, for example, cash on delivery. You can do it like this. You can add whichever products you want. Most likely you're going to add all your products here. Click done, and then you can add a shipping zone if you want. But yeah, once you set everything up, you can start shipping to more places, and you can go to markets, but you can pretty much just save. So for example, once we've done that, you have custom shipping rates and you have cash on delivery, which is for one product. And as you can see, I don't have any shipping rates, so customers will be able to complete checkout for products in this profile. So we're just going to go into shipping rates, add whichever zone you would like. I'll more than likely just add all of them, like so, for Asia, and then we have Europe, and then we have North America and Oceania. And once we're done with that, zone name international, click done with this, and it's going to add this. So no rates, customers in this zone won't be able to complete checkout. Click add rate, use flat rate, or use carrier or app to calculate rates. I'll just use a flat rate. Shipping rate custom rate name COD, then custom delivery description, I'll just keep it empty, and the price is going to be a flat rate. So I'm just going to add, for example, 10,000, click done, and now you have your cash on delivery system set up, and every product within this shipping profile will have an added cash on delivery rate, which you can then set up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just click save, and once that's saved, then you can select that profile when you're shipping any product that you want cash on delivery for. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.